Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by charging your new phone to at least 50% before restoring. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for faster downloads and lower data usage. Sign in using the same Google account that you used on your old device. Verify two-step verification is accessible if you enabled it on your account. Check that you have about 10 minutes available for setup and at least 5 GB free storage for apps and settings. When the new phone prompts, choose to copy apps and data using Google Backup. Select the backup that matches your old device by name and date shown on screen. Tap Restore and follow on-screen steps to bring over apps, contacts, and settings. Keep the phone unlocked and on Wi-Fi while the downloads complete in the background. Expect an initial restore phase of about 10 minutes before you can use core apps normally. After the restore finishes, open Google Photos, Drive, and Gmail to confirm your media and files. Reinstall any app that did not auto-restore and sign in again where required. Verify contacts and calendar entries are present and synced to your account. Adjust settings such as wallpaper, notification preferences, and Bluetooth pairings to match your old phone. If messages or call history are missing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.